Connection fields are one of the most powerful features in Knack. Let's break them down. Connections are the foundation that unlocks Knack's true relational database power. A connection field links two tables together, like customers and orders, so they can talk to each other. At the basic level, connections work like lookup fields or foreign keys. Instead of typing ABC Company repeatedly, you select it from a drop-down. But this is just the beginning. You only need one connection field, and it always goes in the child table. Orders connect to customers, not the other way around. With one connection, you unlock the ability to display related records on a page, filter data by who's logged in, pull values from other tables, perform cross-table calculations, and automate your workflows. None of this would be possible without connections in place first. That's connections at a high level. Next, let's walk through how to actually link your tables. Happy knacking!